Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Taboli Goes Model Works, and we have an inbox review for you here. Tamiya's 1/48 scale German Steyr Type 1500A Kommandeurwagen. So we should have a look at the kit. Move this out of the way. This side, copyright date 2007, one of the colour schemes. So has it in a very fetching shade of German grey. And the other side has it in its stripy camo. Very much akin to my SDKFZ 251. So in the box, several plastic bags. I'll let them off there. I'll just pop these out quick, pop them out of the bags quickly. Get the instructions out. So obviously first part is nice lead weight for the chassis. Obviously it means this has got screws. And then this is the first bag I've opened. Plonk that down there. This one has the chassis, has most of the lower part of the car or the vehicle, including the roof here. Front's valance, I'm not sure. Oh, that's the bonnet. So essentially this is a build the kit up as you go along. Doors, obviously door interiors. They're the side panels, and they've got the trafficators on the side. Those were like before indicators. They were these little bits that came out to let them know which way you were going around the corner. Very unusual for a German car to have indicators on, because Mercedes and BMW don't seem to have them on. Anyhow, obviously lovely, beautifully clear glaze in there. Won't get that out of the bag, but that is absolutely gorgeous. It's gorge. Got that back in the box. And this is another sprue. So this is sprue E. And this has essentially the interior of the car. Obviously the folded down roof, beautifully moulded there. And the seats. Looks like a three-piece suite actually, this does. And the lovely exhaust there. And parts of the driver, I suspect. Obviously the flags for the very important person driving it. Again, 2007 up there. Very clean moulding in this one. Very nice it is too. Obviously jerry cans. I've shown you how I build those, so obviously it's fairly straightforward to do on this particular kit. And this is the final sprue in the box, which has another exhaust, another bonnet. Again, nice grille detail on the front. Nice little ball nose on the front. So it has the wheels, 4 wheels plus the spare. Another figure. I suspect that's the. I think that actually that one's the driver. Wheel arches, another exhaust, and obviously your front and rear axle. I think this is 4-wheel drive. Looking at those axle stands on the axle on the front, obviously, and very importantly, some screws to screw it together. So yeah, fairly detailed part there. That's pretty good. Front bumper with the traffic width, the width indicators there. Sorry about the budgies. So the parakeet, the ring neck parakeets, no tech light, all the lights there. Obviously you've got both versions for this one, I think. So yeah. Obviously decals. So essentially registration and your flag of choice. And then we have the instructions. So obviously this one has history of the Steyr 1500A. Let's see who actually this was made by. No, don't say. Obviously tools you need. Right. This one has a gatefold instruction booklet. So building up the lower chassis. Die cast will add some weight there. Make sure they're square. Again, fitting the wheels on there, fitting an exhaust on. There. Obviously we've got lots of screws going on here to fit the lower the floor of the car. Obviously I've got got bamboozled by the bloody doing all these studying tanks. Can't remember what it's called now. Floor panel, that's what it's called. Thank God for Tamiya. Obviously drilling parts, stating the hole there. Showing there must be a light. This must be at this angle. Obviously attaching the rear body. That's what that part was. I saw. So you've got the boot in there. And you've got the front hood. And you've got the seats and the seat handles. Sunshades, that's cool. Do you like that those neat little features? Then we have attaching the bonnet, adding the seats. Red brown as usual for the seats. No surprise there. Fitting the bits option, either that's an option B version. Fitting your old jerry cans, front lights, no tech light, fit in the grille, and we'll be back on this page, making up the doors. Fairly straightforward. There. Driver, yeah. Driver and general. So I've got some fun painting the figures up on that one. It looks like the driver's asleep in that one. Choosing your flags. Or you've got one flag one side, the other flag the other. So fitting the doors. Then you've got the option of whether you want it roof down or roof up. So that one you've got the glass panel in the rear for that one. Fitting the cover on or the cover down for there. Obviously, I shall probably make it both versions, so you can just lift one version out and put the other version in, because I suspect it fits beautifully, or should in theory. Again, this one's is the Ardennes 1944, so that's Battle of the Bulge area. So this one's got your stripy camo there, and this version has got 17th Army Commanding General Ruff's vehicle, Russia 1942. So yeah, you can do that version. Simple. All the parts not used. So this is for a different version of the Steyr they do. So yeah, quick review of the Steyr. And finally, while we were at Jadlam Models, we've got these real colour markers. So we shall try them on the stripy bits. Yep. So fortunately they've been out of stock for a while, and they had them in stock. There we go. That's what they look like. I think the dark yellow looks a little bit dark for you, but the red and the green look okay. Yeah. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.